The world of colors is fascinating, and the shades are mind-boggling. But two colors seem to be everywhere: blue and green. The colors present vivid images of clear blue skies, gushing rivers, and lush green nature. Forever alluring and always calming.
Would you believe if we said your favorite denim is actually green? At KG Denim, it's definitely green.
Does it look blue? But there is more than meets your eye.
Every denim fabric is colored green, but when kissed by air, it transforms to a brilliant blue that's loved all over the world. And that is how denim is manufactured. So what else is green? The way we manufacture your denim at KG Denim is green. With a sustainable business strategy catering to leading fashion brands and retailers worldwide, we at KG Denim take pride in our planet-friendly operations. We leverage on robust research and advanced technologies that do not burden planet Earth with unwanted chemical pollutants and environmental hazards. With an advanced technology of pre-reduced indigo, we eliminate 70% of reducing salts and alkali when compared to conventional processes. Our innovative salt-free dyeing process for apparel and home textile fabrics is even more friendly on our planet since it needs lesser chemicals, energy, and water. Each activity has been carefully thought over to ensure environment sustainability through zero discharge, conservation of natural resources, waste reduction, and lower pollution. Using the biological diffuser air system with minimum chemical dosage, we recover more than 90% water and leave behind less solid waste. We are driven by a futuristic vision of being a self-sufficient industry. Our energy dependency is extremely low in comparison. Our establishment is designed to harvest the best of natural resources in all its glory. Most of our processing units are fitted with fully automated heat and energy recovery systems. This enables us to reuse heat, steam, or energy emitted by the units. By converting in-house emissions into power and by engaging our very own cogeneration power plant that uses agricultural residue as one of the fuel sources, we are truly efficient and self-sufficient in power consumption with least carbon footprint. GHG emissions are reduced by 6.6% from the base year. We planned to neutralize 5% carbon emission every year from the base year, and more than 10,000 trees have been planted in our campus. We have completely eliminated greenhouse gas usage from our air conditioners by introducing vapor absorption technology. Our focus lies on being an ethical manufacturer and to contribute towards sustainable development. We strive to create ethical working conditions as well. Being one among the world's finest producers of denim, the responsibility of conserving our precious environment is equally large. From tough workwear to high-end fashion wear and softer fabrics used by homes worldwide, our denim is lovingly created with materials from nature, amidst nature, and employs techniques that preserve nature. The next time you look at these products, we assure you, you are going to see them differently. At KG Denim, it is a product of sustainability. And we make it green. KG Denim.